What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys been wondering why I haven't been uploading, you'll find out in today's video. So I'm going to be taking out my car's engine because the vibration on the clutch pedal caused some problems, and yeah, we've got a few problems actually. Oh, bad lighting. So this is how it's looking now at the moment. Don't know if you can see that. Front end is off and I'm gonna start stripping now. But this is going down good. That's for the boys. Everywhere that's hot. So let me quickly show you what's going on with this thing. There's the problem. I took off my starter. Here's the starter. Actually a few things. So I'm going to be taking out the engine now, start stripping it actually. So yeah, here we go. Let's start this.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away. You can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect. 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 don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can say hello, but I don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you to like. You can watch me go, cause I don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me, don't need you to like me.
So, yeah, it's been a while, but this is how it's looking now. There's all. Just made a mess. But yeah, okay guys, when I've got some more stuff off, I'll update you guys. So guys, this is where I'm at. Took the valve cover off, it's done, manifolds off, everything else here is off, water pipe is off, water bottle is out, manifold. Still need to remove the head, fuel rail, have to take off, and then start from there again. But this is where I'm gonna close today's video. So this is gonna be a few parts for you guys. Yeah, I'll pick up the vlog camera again tomorrow, hopefully, otherwise the next day. But this is gonna be it for today. Got some other stuff I've got to do as well, and then we can take it from there. But yeah, this is the main problem was this. That hole. You can see rod was knocking, paint rod, and that happened. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. I'll pick up the camera again. Hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.